Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we've got Lasco Manufacturing Limited here, a retirement notice by LASM. Lasco Manufacturing comes out and states advisory on the JSE, Jamaica Stock Exchange, that the company's general manager, Mr. Robert Parkins, has retired from the company and is no longer employed to Lasco Manufacturing from July 30th of this year. Now, Lasco Manufacturing further advises that his duties have been further reassigned within the company. Next up tonight, we got Productive Business Solutions, PBS Limited. That's notice of their annual general meeting here, ticker symbol PBS. This is going to be the company's 5th annual general meeting. Productive Business Solutions states that their AGM will be held on September 23rd at 10 o'clock in the morning. It will be held online and actually at the offices of General Accident, that's Gen Ac Insurance at 58 Halfway Tree Road. Now, JMMB Group Limited doing big things here, the company, vision of love and so forth. But JMMB Group talk about a company doing deals, mergers and acquisitions, making things happening and executing. Announcing the acquisition of Banco Multiple Bell Bank SA over there in Dominican Republic. JMMB Group, JMMB Holding Company SRL, and its parent JMMB Group Limited have received final regulatory approval. Congrats to them for the purchase of 100% of the shares in this company, Banco Multiple Bell Bank SA, in DR, as well as to merge said entity with Banco Ahora y Credito JMMB Bank. We got our Spanish down pat on Business Live on July 28, 2022. Keep it in finance, but moving over to microfinance, Access Financial Services Limited. They're coming out here with their earnings. That's the first quarter. A little bit of a sluggish earnings here. Earnings falling 15% for Q1 2022. These are the results for Access for the 3 months ended June 30th of this year. Now, Access Financial reported earnings per share 28 cents versus 33 cents year over year. Net profit for the period 77.5 million Jamaican versus 89.3 million Jamaican. Net operating income, that top line total income showed above average growth though, 13%. Good to see that, but not huge top line growth for microfinance companies, but it hit 522.8 million Jamaican for the quarter. Last up tonight, still in the financial sector on Business Live, NCB Financial Group. We said it on Business Live. Listen, stick with them. They always come back, and they're back here in a big way. Big money time here for NCB Financial Group, more than doubling the earnings for the third quarter here. NCBFG always comes back, and it's back here in a bigger way. For the huge way for the third quarter, earnings roaring, revving here up 110%. We're going to reiterate that, more than doubling, 110% here for NCB. Earnings per share, $3.57 versus $1.70 for the quarter here. That's the third quarter. Earnings per share year to date, that's in 9 months, $8.11 Jamaican. They are back, baby. Net profit for the period, 10.5 billion Jamaican versus 4.6 billion. And total assets, listen to this figure, as at June 30th this year, Jamaican 2.01 trillion. That's not million, that's not billion. 2.01 trillion Jamaican dollars for NCB Financial Group. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the weekend. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.